Hi, everybody. Had a great trip back home to see family in Missouri with my family. Anyway, good to be back home, and kind of nice to almost be chilly compared to the 90-degree humidity that, of course, is common back in the Midwest this time of the year. Well, moving forward, I just completed my first forecast work, kind of getting back in the saddle. And there's an upper level low that's setting to our north. And this thing's going to slowly come down into us Tuesday and Wednesday. And it looks like it brings a lot of hours of solid cloud cover and an ongoing chance of either some drizzle at times or some light showers. This doesn't look like a lot, but there's at least a possibility of several hours, both tomorrow and Wednesday, of being kind of drippy. Total rain amounts would be less than 1/10 of an inch, I would expect, over the 2-day period. And if the clouds hold solid enough, we would only be in the 60s. I have us at 69 Tuesday and 68 on Wednesday. Thursday, it looks like we start to pull out of this. There could still be a solid low cloud deck Thursday morning with maybe some traces of moisture around. But I like our chances of becoming partly cloudy during the day, although Thursday's a bit of a question mark. It's possible this cooler pattern kind of lingers and doesn't move out like it's showing that it should at this point. All data shows Friday, Saturday, July 4th, and Sunday, we're basically back into mostly sunny days and high temperatures. Each of those days will be up to around 80 degrees, so that looks fantastic. I don't see any big wind, nothing like that over any big scale, so that's, of course, good news when you think about fireworks and that sort of thing. And then next week, models are a bit inconclusive, but some show a chance of some scattered showers developing Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. So that's what I'm seeing on the models. By the way, go to my Facebook post, and I'll probably eventually get this under the headlines link here on the weather site, portlandweather.com. But the latest outlooks from the National Weather Service, which at one point showed, wow, it's going to be a hot summer, it's going to be a dry summer, the heat would be building in June, be here big time in July and August. And then remember, all of a sudden the chance of any hot weather got pushed back to July. And in fact, June is going to wrap up pretty close to the climate average. Well, the National Weather Service outlooks now through at least mid-July show a chance of temperatures near normal to below. And they don't show any high confidence of any big stretches of hot weather in July, which means, okay, let's take the chance of maybe some runs of hot 90-degree days. We've had 2 so far. Let's push that back to August. But you have to start wondering if we're going to get through this summer season much like we did last year. Remember, last summer was fantastic in terms of didn't have that many 90-degree days. It held fire danger down. And, maybe that's what's brewing this summer. Of course, too early to be conclusive, but those are the kind of the early trends and outlooks that we're following. As always, thanks for using my weather site. I do have my own manual 7-day forecast backloaded. When I go on vacation, I flip a lot of the weather site to the auto feeds that the National Weather Service makes available. But Portland 7 Days back to being my own work, and I hope you'll use that and find it to be halfway accurate. I'll talk to you soon.